Alright, we are back at Harbor Freight once again. Happy 4th of July, everybody. We are July 3rd, and we got some specials going on. Last time I was here, I mentioned there's something I wanted, and there's a 15% off of one single item, plus I might stack it. So we are going to see if we can stack it or not. Hello. Time to stack a coupon, maybe. But if you remember correctly, when I was here last time and we were hanging out, I actually wanted to get this guy. So right now it is on a special for, as you can see, $7.79. I do believe you can see that. Who knows? And then there's 15% off. This is the blue one. I want the gray one. They say they have it in stock, so I want to go here soon and go see if we can get a hold of the gray one. But I want to mess with it a little bit because I'm trying to convince myself, should I buy it or not? You know, the good thing about this thing is it has a little connection or a little spot to put in all the drills, and then you got an electric spot up here. So let's see how much one of those little things cost. That is the set I actually need. It's an insert that goes inside of here. Just don't know where the insert is. Ah, there it is, right in front of me. So this is 30 bucks for the insert. So the best question is now is, let's go see if we can stack. Well, crappy news. Unfortunately, we're not going to get this, so we can't stack. Inside Truck Club, you can't stack the 15% on. Which really sucks, because that would have been a really good deal for this. Getting it for like 600 and I think 60 some odd dollars. Actually, let's see. I think I had it up here before. Yeah, $663 we would have got this for. So, revert. So what I can do, I guess you can stack on instant savings things, but I don't want anything in instant savings. Right now, what I am going to do is go off here and get my little battery operated blower for the house. So still no toolbox, unfortunately, but we will get it next time. But what we are going to get is this little Hercules battery powered blower type thing for the house and the lawnmower. Oh, sorry. If they have any in stock, which they do. So we'll go ahead and grab this guy right now. It's $44. This is $45, $44.99 plus 15% off. So this is what we're going to go for now. Although I can get the heat gun for cheaper. But we're going to get this guy. So, y'all, now you know. If you didn't know, you cannot stack the darn Inside Truck Club with the coupons, which, hey, Harbor Freight, you guys are pretty awesome. Let us stack it. Man, we already spend some money to get your Inside Truck Club to sweeten the pot for us to giving you money every year. Stacking coupons, man. Stacking coupons. Anyways, y'all, take care, have fun, and we'll see you in the next video.